Hello and welcome to a Christmas-themed baking video. Today we'll be baking a chocolate gingerbread. The ingredients you will need are a half a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of molasses, maple syrup or dark corn syrup, and next you will need 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and ground ginger, along with a half a teaspoon of ground cloves and salt, along with 1 cup of hot water. To start, preheat your oven at 350 degrees and find yourself a 9-inch square pan. Inside my 9-inch square pan, I have lined the bottom with parchment paper so it's easier to take out the gingerbread. Moving along, if your batter is not softened to room temperature, chuck it into the incinerator, also known as the microwave. In a large bowl, take your sugar and butter and beat it together. It should look something like that. Beat in the egg, then mix in molasses, maple syrup, or dark corn syrup. This is your wet mixture. In a separate bowl, sift in your flour, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and salt. This will be your dry mixture. Then, take your dry mixture and mix it in with the wet mixture. Next, stir in the hot water slowly and blend it at a low speed. Then, take in your new mixture and pour it slowly into the pan. After doing so, take a generous amount of chocolate chips of your choice and sprinkle it on top of the mixture inside the pan. Put it in the oven for about 50 minutes and then check with a toothpick or knife to make sure that the gingerbread center is clean. Let the gingerbread cool for about an hour and your gingerbread is done.